Hello, everyone. Welcome back to TED Talk Daily, the podcast where English feels like chatting with friends. I'm Lucy.
And I'm David. Hi, Lucy. Hi, everyone at home, in the car, on the bus, or walking the dog. So good to see you all again.
David, you are extra happy today. What did you have for breakfast? 3 coffees?
Almost. 2 big coffees and 1 chocolate croissant. I'm ready for anything.
Perfect. Because today we are going on the longest, most fun English shopping trip ever. Ready?
Born ready. Where are we going?
We are going to the shopping mall.
Yes, the mall. My second home.
Before we walk through those big glass doors, let's say a proper hello to everyone listening.
Welcome. Welcome, welcome. We are so happy you are here today. If you are new, hello. If you are old friend, hello again.
If you like what you hear, please hit that like button. Give us a huge thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow.
And please subscribe to TED Talk Daily and turn on the little bell so you never miss an episode.
Share this with one friend who is learning English. Okay, enough talking. Let's go shopping.
Let's go.
Imagine it's Saturday morning. The sun is shining. We park the car in the big parking lot. We walk to the entrance. The automatic doors open. Whoosh.
Cool air, bright lights, soft music, and the smell of cinnamon pretzels already.
First stop, we need a map. There's a big "You Are Here" board.
Look, ground floor, food court, clothes stores, supermarket. First floor, electronics, cinema, kids area. Second floor, furniture and home stuff. Same.
So many floors. Okay, let's start at the beginning, the food court. I'm hungry just thinking about it.
The food court is like a small United Nations of food.
Exactly. Let's walk around slowly and read the signs together.
On the left, Burger Palace, big hamburgers, French fries, milkshakes.
Next, Pizza Heaven. Thin crust, thick crust, vegetarian, pepperoni, Hawaiian with pineapple.
I love Hawaiian pizza. Pineapple on pizza is delicious.
I know some people hate it, but I'm team pineapple.
Next, Sushi Go. Fresh sushi rolls, bowls of ramen, green tea.
Then Taco Loco. Tacos, burritos, nachos with cheese.
And my favorite, Noodle King. Pad Thai, fried rice, spring rolls.
And of course, Sweet Corner for ice cream, donuts, bubble tea, and churros.
My mouth is watering. What should we eat first?
Let's do pizza today. We walk to Pizza Heaven.
There is a short line. The worker smiles and says, "Hi, welcome to Pizza Heaven. What would you like today?"
Very polite. We answer, "Hi, can I have 1 slice of margarita pizza and 1 slice of pepperoni pizza, please?"
And 2 bottles of water, please.
The worker says, "Sure, that will be $12.50 for here or to go."
We say, "For here, please."
We pay with card. Tap, tap, done. We take the tray and look for a table.
Found one near the window. We sit, eat, and watch people walking with shopping bags.
Perfect people watching spot. Okay, pizza finished. Energy now 100%. Time for real shopping.
Clothes time. Let's go to a big store called Urban Style.
We walk in. Loud pop music, colorful lights, clothes everywhere.
Left side, women's section. Right side, men's section. Back, kids and baby clothes.
Let's start with women's. Look at these beautiful dresses.
Summer dresses, party dresses, office dresses. So many colors.
I see a yellow sundress. I love yellow. Let me check the size.
Sizes, XS, S, M, L, XL, XXL.
XS, extra small, S, small, M, cash medium, etc.
I found a white shirt for men. Size L. Perfect.
Now we need to try them on. Where is the fitting room?
Over there. Big sign, fitting rooms or changing rooms.
I take 3 things. The yellow dress, a pair of black jeans, and a denim jacket.
I take the white shirt and a gray hoodie.
We wait in line. When it's my turn, I go into a small room, close the curtain, and try everything. David, the yellow dress is perfect. It fits like a dream.
Show me when you come out.
Ta-da, what do you think?
Wow, Lucy, you look like a sunflower. Beautiful.
Thank you. Your turn.
Okay, the white shirt is good, but the hoodie is too small. I need size XL.
Easy. We put the too small hoodie back and look for XL.
Found it. Now decision time. Buy or not buy?
Buy everything. Yellow dress? Yes. Black jeans? Yes. Denim jacket? Yes.
White shirt? Yes. Gray hoodie XL? Yes.
We carry everything to the cashier. There are 3 people in front of us.
While we wait, we can look at accessories, sunglasses, hats, belts.
I grab a pair of sunglasses. Only $12, adding to the pile.
Finally, our turn. The cashier scans everything. Beep, 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 beep.
Total $148.70.
I pay half, you pay half.
Deal. We split the bill. Keep
Cashier puts everything in 2 big shopping bags and gives us the receipt.
the receipt. Very important.
Shopping level 1 completed. My arms are already tired from carrying bags.
Let's put the bags in a locker. Many malls have lockers for $2.
Smart, bag safe, hands free. Next stop,
Shoe store. My favorite.
let's go to Foot Paradise. 3 floors of shoes.
Ground floor, women's shoes. First floor, men's. Second floor, sports shoes.
We take the escalator up.
Look, high heels, sandals, boots, sneakers, slippers.
I need new running sneakers. White or black?
White looks cool, but gets dirty fast. Black is safer.
I'll try both. A shop assistant comes. Hi, can I help you find something?
Perfect English practice. David says, "Hi, I'm looking for running sneakers, size 10, please."
The assistant brings 3 pairs. I sit down and try them.
Meanwhile, I'm trying pink high heels. So pretty, but can I walk?
These black Nike ones are super comfortable.
Decision. I buy the pink heels for parties. You buy the black running sneakers.
Another $220 gone. But happy feet.
Time for a break. Let's go to the cafe on the top floor.
Yes! Coffee number 3 for me.
I'll have an iced latte and a chocolate muffin.
We sit outside on the balcony. We can see the whole mall from here.
So relaxing. Look at all the people. Families, teenagers, couples.
Okay, break finished. What's next?
Electronics store. I need a new phone case and earphones.
And I want to look at smart watches.
We go to Tech World. Bright blue lights, big screens everywhere.
So many gadgets. Phones, laptops, games, cameras.
I find a clear phone case with flowers. Perfect. And wireless earphones on sale.
I try 3 smart watches. This one can count my steps, heart rate, and even answer calls.
Rich, buy it.
Okay, I'm spoiled today. Adding to the faucet.
We pay another $180. My wallet is crying. True.
But we are having the best day.
True. One more stop, the bookstore. My happy place.
Yes. Book Haven. 2 floors of quiet and stories.
Ground floor, English books, novels, self-help, cookbooks.
First floor. Children's books, manga, magazines.
I always buy at least 3 books.
Today I choose an easy English novel, a joke book, and a travel guide for Japan.
I pick a romance novel, a grammar book for fun. Yes, I'm weird. And a beautiful notebook.
We sit in the bookstore cafe, drink tea, and read the first pages.
Heaven,
Okay, sun is going down. Last stop, cinema.
top floor. Big posters everywhere.
What movies are playing? Action, romance, comedy, animation.
There's a new romantic comedy at 7:15 p.m.
Perfect. We buy 2 tickets, a large popcorn with extra butter, and 1 big Coke to share.
We find the best seats. Middle row, center.
Lights go down, movie starts, we laugh nonstop for 2 hours.
Best ending to the best day.
Movie finished, we pick up our bags from the locker. So many bags.
We walk slowly to the car. Feet tired, wallets lighter, hearts full.
Lucy, before we say goodbye to everyone, I want to tell a quick true story from last month.
Yes, story time.
So, I went to the mall with my 7-year-old nephew, Leo. He saw a huge toy store and screamed, "Uncle David, dinosaurs." We went in. He found a giant green T-Rex that roars when you press its belly. He looked at me with the biggest eyes and whispered, "Can we buy it, please?" The toy was $85, very expensive, but his face, I couldn't say no.
Oh,
We carried the dinosaur all day. Everyone smiled at us. At the food court, he said very loudly, "My dinosaur wants chicken nuggets." People laughed so hard. Then he fell asleep on the way home, hugging his new best friend. Best $85 I ever spent.
that is the cutest story ever.
Real English moment, he practiced. "How much is the green dinosaur? Can I pay with my uncle's card?" "Thank you very much." Perfect pronunciation.
See? The mall is the best English classroom in the world.
Totally.
Okay, everyone, time to go home. Thank you so much for spending your day with us at the mall.
We talked about food courts, clothes, shoes, electronics, books, movies, directions, money, sizes. So many useful words and phrases.
Your homework. Yes, we have homework. Please write in the comments in English, what is your favorite store at the mall? What is your favorite food at the food court? Have you ever bought something crazy at the mall, like a giant dinosaur? Tell us the story.
We read every single comment and reply when we can.
Don't forget, like this episode, subscribe to TED Talk Daily, and share with your English learning friends.
Thank you for being the best listeners in the world.
See you next week for another super long English adventure.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Go practice your English and maybe go to the mall this weekend.